cowbells.
Oh, they're so gentle. Really sweet.
Misty is definitely petting a dairy cow.
That's a real Swiss cow from Switzerland.
It's true.
My mom, you always wanted one of these, and they're really sweet. Aw, she's so cute.
They all have all the cows in Switzerland have cowbells.
Oh, she likes her ears rubbed. Yeah, she's laying her head back flat. She loves her ears scratched.
Aww.
She's chilling.
Oh, they're so cute. I want one. Oh my gosh.
You do look like Heidi in this video, though.
Except for the camera away.
Except for the camera. The modern Heidi.
But the Heidi video country is more south of here. So, yeah.
Your name will be Lily.
Lily the cow.
Oh,